Sinto is a collection of companies that provides products and services to the foundry industry and a number of other industries. The common theme with Sinto is that we try to bring shape to materials. We have the latest technology, and the rest of it is people.
We are Sinto, and Sinto is a family. It's a family of people working with customers that have families, that have friends, and all working towards a common goal.
We're driven by the idea of trust. We have a lot of people that are in the company for the long haul, and they're very, very talented people.
The people who work here started out as, a lot of them as apprentices, and have been here ever since.
I work with a lot of really good people. Our engineering staff's very talented, and we can pretty much meet any challenge they put in front of us. I think that goes also for our manufacturing groups too.
We do just about everything in-house. Anything from cutting the steel to machining it, painting it, all the way down to my department where we put it together. You're going to find equipment moving through the building, and you're going to find large groups of people, generally, in different work areas working together to make it happen.
There's a lot of shared information and experience back and forth between manufacturing and engineering. Some of the stuff we do is in some pioneering area that's not really been approached. And that's part of probably why all these years I've never gotten bored in this industry. It's an ongoing challenge.
As far as collaboration goes, over the life of a big project, there's a lot of face-to-face time. There's a lot of time spent on site with the customers. A lot of phone calls, a lot of emails. We do WebExes with customers.
Today is a global economy. Customers that are based in Japan have operations in North America. Customers that are based in North America have operations in Europe. And we have to serve all of those, and we have to serve them well.
It doesn't really matter where you're at. We're not too far away.
I have so many resources throughout the world. I can communicate with these people on a 24-hour basis, looking at different ways to develop this equipment towards the needs of the customer.
A modern foundry has come a long ways from the dirty, noisy, filthy, smoky environment that exists in most people's minds.
First of all, it's safe. Second of all, it is very, very environmentally tuned. And third, it is incredibly efficient and productive.
We start with raw material, and when it goes out the door, it's basically a turnkey finished product, hand-built by craftsmen.
At Sinto, we manufacture a lot of varying equipment.
Just about everything that you would find in a foundry or a modern processing plant.
One of the advantages that we have here is we're considered a turnkey system company.
It's nice to start out something fresh and see it go from the ground up, but there are times when you have to fit a lot of equipment into an existing facility, and to have that work out is pretty rewarding as well.
We typically build heavy-duty stuff. We have competitors that use lighter gauge, smaller steel beams. We don't. We like to have equipment that lasts a long time.
You want to see them be successful.
We take pride in everything we do.
Because you know that you and all the people here had a hand in making that piece of equipment that's going to a customer that's waiting and wants it.
And we're sure that what we've done will work.
Sinto is made up of people who obviously are talented, but also they care. They care about the company, they care about each other, they care about our customers. And it's that caring and that trust that brings it all together.